Hello, this is Abby from ollieholly.com. In this video, I will be showing you how to do the seamless join. This is how I usually finish off the edge for most of my projects. I use this method whenever I make eyes for my amigurumi toys. It creates a seamless and smooth edge and really helps elevate my amigurumi projects. If you haven't already, cut your tail and fasten off. Thread the tail end of your yarn onto a darning needle. We will be skipping the next stitch, and instead we will be working into the second stitch of the round. Insert the needle under the top of the second stitch, making sure to go under both legs of the stitch. Pull the needle through and tug on the tail lightly to tighten the gap. We will now need to insert the needle through the center of the last stitch of the round and out from the back. Through the center of the stitch and out from the back. Pull through. Lightly tug on your circle to adjust the tension of your seamless join. If you do not need to leave a tail for sewing, weave the tails in and trim off the excess yarn. Thanks for following along with this video. Please visit ollieholly.com for free amigurumi patterns and more.